Today we're going on the Snap-on truck. Comes every week. It's full of tools. So if you like tools, you get yourself some hats, some grinders, hoagies and grinders, hoagies and grinders, navy beans, navy beans.
Yeah, I got some hats and shirts kind of going on. Stuff out of the box today, or stuff I got on promo.
You can get your big toolboxes.
Drawing for a golf cart, you can still win, Brent. If you're a golfer, or golf bag, I should say.
Usually have some promotions going on. I don't golf, I don't have the patience.
Yeah.
I just
They probably don't make it long enough.
I'd break the clubs the first round.
Yeah. They probably don't make it tall enough.
Like, sand trap again?
Right.
Candies. Now, can they come off the street and buy stuff off your truck?
Yeah. What's that?
Can they buy stuff? Anybody buy stuff off your truck?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So, you see a Snap-on truck parked somewhere, you can go in, check it out,
Oh yeah.
and
Cash
buy
and
some
plastic.
tools.
Right.
Cash and plastic.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
You've got the ceilings lined with tools. You are a golfer. You can get your golf ball set, your golf accessory set.
Yeah, the bag's actually on the other side of the box.
Oh, here's the bag. So how much do you guys spend to get the golf balls?
I got a couple $100.
A couple $100 you get free golf balls,
In the drawing, but
and then you get a drawing for a bag.
yep. $100 you can get an entry anyway.